Michelle with Family XP, and I'm going to talk to you about what I like to carry for a weekend trip. This is in addition to things that you would normally carry, like your baby carrier, your bottles, diapers, stroller, things like that. This list is not comprehensive, and you may want to bring other items with you that aren't included in this list, or keep some of them at home if you have access to them wherever you're going. I want to start with my charger pack. This has chargers for my phone and watch and other ancillary items that I would carry. Okay, then for me, I always like to start with my pajamas. So I make sure I have a nursing pajama. This one that I have is magnetic closure, which is really convenient. A nursing bra that's comfortable for overnight, and some pads in case I leak. A few outfits, all of them easy to nurse in, as well as a nursing bra and socks and underwear. I'll take more than these, but these are some disposable nursing pads, which are a nice alternative, especially if you're not going to have access to laundry, and possibly pads because after you have a baby, that kind of stuff is unpredictable. And for my baby, I want to make sure I have pajamas for her. So I just have 2 different sets. And now that she is no longer in swaddles, I've been putting her in sleep sacks. So I do a lighter one for daytime sleeping and then a heavier one for nighttime. Something to consider is that if you're going somewhere that you visit frequently or repeatedly, you might want to keep extras of things. Spare diapers, maybe sleep sacks, swaddles, a camera system if it's somewhere you go really frequently, a bathtub. We keep our play yard at my parents' house. Having extras at the place you're going just cuts down on your packing time tremendously. I also want to carry a few outfits for her based on what the weather is going to be like, and maybe a bib or 2 in case she's teething and is going to be drooling a lot. I also want to take a burp rag. She's been spitting up a lot lately, and a nursing cover just to have handy all the time. Then I want to make sure that I have her towel. You might want to take more than one depending on how long you're going to be gone. Just to make sure you have something soft that won't irritate baby's skin if you're staying at like a hotel or with a relative who doesn't have children. And I always carry an extra blanket because you can use it for so many things. Nursing cover, burp rag, covering the stroller or car seat, whatever you need. I want to carry some spare pacifiers for the baby in case she gets fussy. And I want to carry my Haakaa pump in case she decides to skip a feed or I'm going to need milk for leaving her with relatives. And to go with that, I want to carry my milk storage bags that I use to store the milk that I'm not using immediately. And maybe some toys now that she's more interested in playing with toys. In addition to this, I'm also going to bring my diaper bag that has diapers, wipes, everything I would normally carry. You want to carry enough diapers to make sure that you're not going to run out even if your baby has a couple of blowouts or anything like that. And it's also handy to carry some cheapy plastic bags for if you need to throw away diapers in a hotel bathroom, or if you're again with relatives who don't have something like a diaper genie. That's something handy to have. I keep all that in my diaper bag. It's nice to bring a baby bather or bathtub or a travel sink insert for bathing your baby if you're going to be somewhere where you don't have access to that. You'll also want to bring some kind of baby monitor system. We have a baby camera monitor at my parents' house, the same as we have here at our house, that I use with my iPad. And sometimes we also bring our baby sound monitor, especially if it's not convenient to set up more cameras in a location such as a hotel, or if staying with relatives where we don't have our setup. I also sometimes use my iPad or phone as a white noise machine because Bree is used to sleeping with white noise. Okay, so that's all I'm going to carry for my weekend trip. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.